Yeah! Yeah! Fuck yeah! Woo! Only thing I have to say about this next one is that I'm still writing the lyrics, so I'm probably just gonna improvise. So, by the time you hear it, you'll be like, these aren't the right lyrics. Whatever. They didn't play this? What the fuck is this? Anyway. Okay. You ready? I'm gonna move this fucking thing. Alright, let's fucking do this. Right down upon this pack of Nathan with a flaming rage. I'm on the eye of a hungry tiger, and I'm just been running from my kid. And I've got no room to go. That was actually a song about, I like this. That was actually a song about hot dogs. It was about a hot dog speed eater. I forget his first name, but his last. Huh? I can name it Joey Chestnut. That's a good title. I'm gonna name it Joey Chestnut. Okay, cool. A lot of our songs don't have titles until like the very last minute, so if y'all wanna name these songs, just shout out what it's called. Huh? Okay, that one's called Cock Goblin. Yeah! Okay, so actually, this next song this is our second to last song. This is our, would it be a ballad? No, it wouldn't be a ballad. I'm supposed to have an acoustic guitar up here, if that gives you any idea, but we don't have one, so that's why. I'm gonna fucking do it. This is going on well, I'll let y'all figure out what it's about. I am out of tune as fuck. Woo! I love tuning. Where are my tuning fans at? This shit music to my ears. Oh, I fucking love that. Okay. Alright. I think I'm pretty good. Clap along. That's more like it. I'm gonna shoot you straight, fucking shoot you, rage into a bear. Get off my lawn, you demon spawn. Hope you said your prayer. I ain't about to figure out no goddamn NFT. Pop out my mentions, I don't care. Just take your 8 Bentley. I'm on the road as less traveled. A one-way line, your shit's unraveled. showing my cup, steal names from incels. Sorry, I punched your tokens, oh well. Lead a normal life, fuck your wife just purely out of spite. Your crypto scam won't catch these hands, so please just get a life. I'm begging on my hands and knees, so please take another L. You crypto bros ain't got no hoes, like your farmers stand in hell. I'm on the road, that's less travel. One way line, your shit's unraveled. Joe and Rocco, in South, sorry I punched your tokens, oh well. Now one more time on the road, that's less travel. One way line, your shit's unraveled. Joe in my cup, steal names from incels. Where's the note? Sorry I punched your tokens, oh well. Sorry I punched your tokens, oh well. Sorry, I punched your tokens, oh well. Yeah. That's a song, if you couldn't hear the lyrics, that's a song about how I think NFTs are stupid. Anyway, I like the mosh pit, that was fucking awesome. Yeah. Damn right, yeah. That is us. We are Nakid Ailen. This is actually, unfortunately, our last song of the evening. I know, I'm sorry. Well, wait. Can we play Nasty Toilet? Second to last song. Okay, now it's time for the actual last song. Ready? Y'all gotta go fucking hard as fuck for this one. that song was called Goo Man Wants Your Neurons. We're Nakid Ailen! Good night.
Woo!